I'm going to do you a demonstration on this beautiful British Jaguar XK8 with these wonderful British products. LRC1 leather cleaner, the new revised version with greater cleaning power, fantastic foaming action and a beautiful leather aroma with our amazing soft horsehair natural fibre brush. So without further ado, in typical British style, let's just continue on and get this cleaned. We are going to do a restoration on this bolster because it's got a bit of wear all down here, so we are going to be doing that. But spray on first of all. You can leave that to agitate, leave that to sort of get into the grime for a little bit first of all if you wanted to, but you can clearly see there the foaming action that compared to what it was previously is absolutely fantastic. Mind you guys, those that have actually got our old cleaner, there's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't suddenly go out of date just because we brought a new one in. It's still a fantastic cleaner and still one of the best in the industry. It's just that this one's obviously improved, that's all. So just keep on agitating that in. Straight lines, circular motion, however you want. I mean, this is a beautiful, soft, natural horsehair fibre brush. So, I mean, that's the beauty of it. You can see the foaming action that you're getting there. It's absolutely amazing, look. Absolutely amazing. So, I mean, we've made some quite good improvements with it. It's got this nice foaming, sort of foam cleaning action to it, but it's the way that it deep cleans now compared to before. And, we'll find out the true effects of how this is cleaned once we remove the tape, from the seat, and you can see the true effects of what it's achieved for us on this lovely Jaguar seat. And it's just the fact that it makes the leather feel so much softer and slicker as well when it's cleaned using this new cleaner. It's absolutely amazing, to be fair. So as you can see, the foaming action just carries on going. Look, even though the foams had sort of almost disappeared, just go straight back over it and the foams have just revitalised and it's back there again. So let's give that a rub off quickly and remove some of the dirt on there. Brand new white cloth, as you can clearly see. Completely brand new white cloth. Go over the seat and wipe that down. Very old car. I can't remember how old this is now, to be fair, but it's quite an old vehicle. You can see there's some dirt coming off there, all right. And then we'll take the tape off and you can see the full effects of exactly what we've done, of how it's cleaned up. From what I can see, it's actually looking quite remarkable, to be fair. Wipe off the spray that's on the other side there. Let's have a look at the big reveal, shall we? Look at that. Absolutely amazing. It's unbelievable the difference that it's made there. Absolutely brilliant. That's LRC1 leather cleaner for you. Hop on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com/shop.